Good morning, everybody. My name Professor Sunil Agarwal. I am inventor of Agarwal Energy Concept and Color Therapy. Why I call it Agarwal Energy Concept? Because I am the only therapist, only professor. I have invented how you can get the beautiful and wonderful and amazing results by applying the different color on the body meridian, on the TCM meridian, and minor chakras, major chakras, and marma bindus on the body. I have developed this color therapy having a deep experience, last 33-year experience I have in this field, and always I was thinking about this process, how I can make the treatment, holistic treatment, very easy so that everybody can do it, everybody can enjoy the beauty of the colors. Color is a divine power. I wish everybody can enjoy the colors, enjoy the treatment, million miles sitting away. Even my friend, those who are sitting in Canada, in Germany, in France, and so many Portugal, so many various countries, they are regularly in my touch. They are getting my protocol of color therapy, and they are putting that colors, and they are getting the good results. And I say thumbs up for the colors. Today I am going to discuss with the solar plexus issue. Solar plexus is the only concept which Hindu mythology or Ayurveda knows it and accept its energy powerhouse. Solar plexus chakra is an energy storage powerhouse. Complete energy, in energy, and yang energy is controlled at the solar plexus chakra, and accordingly it is distributed to the organs or the system of the body which require the energy. There is a pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is the controller of the endocrinal gland and the systems of the body. If there is any problem in the body system, if there is any problem in the energy system of the body, immediately pituitary chakra or this third eye chakra will pass a direction to the Swadhisthana chakra or navel chakra. That area is becoming the weak. You please release the energy for that particular area. This is the beauty of this solar plexus and the pituitary chakra. So today I will discuss, if so many people are finding the problem, their solar plexus doesn't remain fixed. It always disturbed and fluctuating. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down, and sometimes it moves diagonally, right or left, and up and down, and every direction of the movement of this solar plexus point have a different effect on the body. If solar plexus is upward, then you may be having the constipation in your body. If the movement of the solar plexus is downward, then you may be having the loose motion issue or diarrhea or dysentery. Now I will discuss with a few points how you can control or fix your solar plexus. One point is the CV8. CV8 is a point of the solar plexus itself. You can put the brown color around the CV8, solar plexus point 8, belly button, which you call the belly button. You put the brown color circle around the belly button. It will fix your solar plexus. Then CV4 point, you know the forefinger below the belly button. It is on the pelvic region. You put there also brown color. Brown color is the color of the fixation. Color is the stagnation. When you put the brown color, it will remain on that location only. Then CV14. CV14 is a very good point for the entire digestive system, and it is a very good point for the friendliness between the large intestine and the stomach organ. If there is a mismatch in the stomach organ and the large intestine, then CV14 is the point which make them friendly which make them friendly. It's very important. It make them friendly means कि they will both start working in a friendly manner. Next point is kidney 22. The kidney 22 location you can see. This is the kidney 27 point. Last point of the kidney is this point 27. Accordingly, you can go downward and nearby the CV14 you will find little bit on the side there is a point kidney 22. You can also put brown color on this point. All the points you are putting the brown color, it means you are increasing the dryness energy in the point, and the dryness energy will try to keep that points in a similar position, their exact position, their correct position. If you put all these points the brown color and apply a pressure on this point, or you can put the tonification chakra on this point, you will find your solar plexus is fixed. It will never disturb again. If you are having the regular problem for so many years, then you can put this chakra magnet or color regularly for at least for 30 days and 15 days. You will find your solar plexus is fixed, your digestion problem is issued, solved, your gastric problem is solved. So many problems related with the body system will be controlled. Thank you so much. My channel is AIHR Integrative Health. You can subscribe my channel, you can like my channel, you can press the icon button of my channel, so that whenever I am posting the videos, immediately you will get the message and you can see my latest video. Thank you so much.